Okay. Now, what questions do you have about this?
Can you plug in the answers to the results of the equation? Because I'm not sure where to put what.
Wait, what? I'm sorry?
Like, you see how you got the answer. He says our answer is $5.53. So does that mean?
Yeah, hold on. I got it. Maybe this will help. This was basically given. So from here, I just substituted the results we got, and that's how we got our answer. So the 1.32 euros was about $1.46131, and 1 liter was about 0.26420 gallons.
Yes.
And this part over here, you could put into the calculator.
So wait, what was the second part then?
What, this?
Yes.
This is actually when you do the calculator, this is what you get. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good question. Are there any other questions? Okay, let's do another one then. So this is another one. It's actually from the book as well. So I figured it'd be good to do this. All right. So a store, we're told, is selling lemons at 2 for $1. Okay, we're just told that. Each lemon, assume each lemon yields about 2 tablespoons of juice. Okay, so we're making lemon juice, of course. Well, we're getting lemon juice, that is. Now the question is, how much will it cost to buy enough lemons to make a 9-inch lemon pie? One that requires 10 tablespoons of lemon juice. All right. So really what they're asking is, if each lemon can yield 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, right? And 2 lemons cost $1. We want to know first, how many lemons do we need to make 10 tablespoons of lemon juice? And how much is that going to cost us? So again, let me say it again. Excuse me. If each lemon, one lemon, gives us 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, then how many, and 2 lemons cost $1? Well, how many lemons are we going to need then to get 10 tablespoons of lemon juice? And how much is that going to cost us? So there's 2 conversions here, right? First, we need to know 10 tablespoons is how many lemons. If we know 1 lemon gives us 2 tablespoons. So it's just like before, right? 2 tablespoons per lemon, 2 tablespoons over 1 lemon. That's the ratio I made, okay? For the other one, that's going to come from here. The other one's going to come from here. So essentially, I'm going to say, let X be how many lemons we need to make 10 tablespoons of lemon juice. So essentially, X is going to be where the blank is, so to say. And then we make another ratio. We have 10 over X. Okay, sorry to go back and forth like this, but we have 2 tablespoons per lemon, right? 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. That's given to us. That's the ratio based on given information. For the other one, we have 10 tablespoons per lemon, and we want to know how many lemons that is. We need 10 tablespoons, but we don't know how many lemons that is. Well, each one, well, again, those are the ratios, so we make a proportion, like so, as you can see. That is, we set the ratios equal. The units are going to cancel just like before. Okay? And if you decided, let me just say this, with the ratios, if you had instead lemon over tablespoons, that's fine. You just have to make sure that for the ratios, the same units are in corresponding positions. So if you had lemon over tablespoons in one ratio, you would have to have lemon over tablespoons in the other one. So once we get the proportion, again, units cancel, like so. And so we get 2 over 1 is 10 over x. So we want to solve for x. How do we do that? Cross multiply. Right? We cross multiply. We get 2x equals 10 times 1, which is 10. Divide by 2. We get x is 5. So what we need to do is we need to get 5 lemons, right? That's what we need to get. 5 lemons. But that's only half the problem, right? Because we have to worry about cost. So we know we need 5 lemons. It's given to us also 2 lemons cost $1. So from here we have the ratio 2 lemons per dollar, like so. Okay. We have 5 lemons. We want to know how much that costs. So let's let y be the cost of 5 lemons, right? That's what we're looking for. Then we can form the ratio 5 lemons over y dollars, right? So again, from the given information here, 2 lemons cost $1. That's this ratio. We're buying 5 lemons. How much will that cost us? Same thing here. Okay. So what do we do then? We set them equal, and again, we solve, right? We have 5 lemons over y dollars is 2 lemons over $1. Again, we cancel, right? The units cancel. We get 5 over y equals 2 over 1, just like before, right? We cross multiply. And so what we get then is the next equality, 5 equals 2y. Then, of course, we divide, and we get 5 over 2 to get 2.5. Actually, let me show this step. I want to show all the steps. It's always good to show your work so that, I know that you know what you're doing. And again, you only have to show your work on exams, not on quizzes and not on homework. So we divide by 2. These 2's cancel. Okay? And we get y equals 5 over 2, which is 2.5. So it's going to cost us $2.50. Okay. Now, what questions do you have on this? If you have questions, don't be afraid to ask. Again, that's how we learn. And remember, if you have a question, odds are other people have that same question. From my experience teaching, that's what happens. So, generally. Not done yet. So, there is one thing I want to do. Let me just do a polling. Okay, so which do you prefer? It's just a poll I want to do real quickly before I forget. Prefer Okay? And again, you can be honest with this. I won't get offended. I just want to know which method people prefer. The factor label method, that was the first method we did. So, okay, seems like more people prefer proportions. So that's okay. I mean, if you like the factor label method, that's fine. So, I mean, both methods are right. So either method you use on an exam, that's up to you. So, I mean, I know I'm doing proportions, but if you ever want to see these problems done using the other method, factor label method, I mean, you may have to come to office hours, but I don't mind helping you with that. So, okay. I think this kind of happened last semester. I mean, I didn't do a poll like this, but the impression I got was more people like proportions. That's why I like to stick with that method. So, that's okay.